Today, we're going to make an amazing 1 spoon of steak. When you finish watching this video, you will know how to cook restaurant quality steak at home. Let's go to the grocery store. Here is a spinach. Whole garlic is right there. I bought the most popular cream cheese. We need a heavy whipping cream as well. At last, and the most important, is a fresh steak. I used New York steak this time, but you can buy either New York steak or ribeye steak. First layer is the juicy medium rare steak. Slice 5 cloves of garlic into thick slices and put it aside. Next, put steak on a plate, add olive oil, and coat it on both sides. For steak seasoning, just sprinkle salt, pepper, and thyme on both sides and rub it. In a pan, add enough olive oil to cover entire area and set temperature high. Add sliced garlic and cook until it turns golden brown. When it turns to golden brown, take the garlic out and put aside. This will be the garnish for steak. Now let's cook the steak. Do you hear sizzling sound? That sound means it locks the steak juice inside the meat. Cook steak for 3 minutes for both sides to make skin of steak crispy. Add 1 tablespoon of butter into the pan. Flip the steak and scoop the butter juice on the steak. This will give you delicious buttery taste on steak. Cook for 1 minute and 30 seconds more for each side. Take the steak off the stove and rest for 5 to 10 minutes. This resting process will make steak absorb its own juice back in and the fibers relax. Let's see how the steak cooked. Look at that juicy medium rare steak. Isn't that look delicious? Second layer is the creamed spinach. Chopped small amount of onions. Also chopped 3 cloves of garlic. Onions and garlic will make creamed spinach more flavorful. Wash spinach in cold water and shake water out. In a pan, add 1 tablespoon of butter and melt it. When it gets melt, add chopped garlic and onions, then cook until garlic turns brown. When garlic turned brown, add 1/3 cup of cream cheese and melt it. Then add 1/3 cup of heavy whipping cream and mix well until the sauce is evenly mixed. When the cream sauce is ready, add half bunch of spinach and combine. The creamed spinach needs to be boiled down. I will add 1/4 cup of more heavy whipping cream to avoid the lack of cream sauce. Boil the creamed spinach down until the spinach wilted and mixture is thickened, and then add salt and pepper for seasoning. Last layer is the crispy garlic slice that we already prepared at the beginning of cooking steak. Finally, we made amazing 1 spoon of restaurant quality steak at home. It's like a heaven when you put this in your mouth. How about trying steak this weekend? Please like and subscribe.